As a marketing executive, you know personalized video has huge potential. But how often do these projects stall or fail to deliver on their promise? Over a decade, I've seen countless personalized video programs launched in organizations like yours. Some achieve remarkable results. Others, well, they crumble. So in this video, I'll reveal the 3 critical mistakes that kill personalized video programs. It's not about the initial wow factor. It's about building sustainable data-driven relationships that drive real ROI. Why is this important? Because in today's markets, wasted budgets are missed opportunities. And for most organizations, this is actually unacceptable. So let's make sure your personalized video efforts actually deliver the results your organization needs. Stick around because the first mistake I'm about to share is likely making all your invested time and stakeholder buy-in worthless when your audience doesn't engage. The first mistake is ignoring your audience's needs beyond the basics. Many teams focus on surface level personalization, like adding a name. This cool factor fades fast. For example, about 7 years ago, a car brand's financial service arm had a problem. Customers didn't understand their contracts. They signed, then complained. Why? They didn't read the PDFs. To fix this, the brand created personalized videos. Each video explained key contract points, things like miles, payments, end of contract options. They saw a big improvement. That's personalization beyond a name. It's really useful. Don't let your video program die by ignoring the real needs of your audience. Instead, focus on crafting content that solves problems and delivers real value. But even if you nail this, the second mistake I'm about to reveal can still derail your entire project. The second mistake is silo teams and lacking strategic alignment. Personalized video needs teamwork, creative, tech, strategy, even legal. Everyone in mature organizations, it's not just one person, it's teams. Everyone needs to be aligned from day one. We saw this with a known online travel agency. They had success, they doubled their click-through rates, CTR, and increased sales thanks to personalized videos. But 6 months later, the project stopped. The customer experience team led, but CRM and sales weren't fully on board. To fix this, Pirsonal provides managed services to free up your teams, and do not forget legal and compliance. You might use sensitive data. That's why Pirsonal is ISO 27001 certified. This speeds up buying and execution. So don't let your video programs die by lack of alignment. Get everyone, absolutely everyone on board from the beginning. Now, you might think, we've got the team and the content, right? But the third mistake, which many overlook, is where most programs truly fail. The third mistake is choosing the wrong tools and lacking expert support. Tools matter. Every team needs different tools, but everyone needs tools that are simple and expert help. At the end of the day, this is not your only project. That's why Pirsonal offers simple tools and managed services. And don't just take my word for it. Coleman, client service director at an agency, said about Pirsonal: strong product, but a stronger service. They work with you, understand your needs, and are there every step of the way. So don't let your video program, your personalized video program, die by choosing complex tools and lacking the expert help most teams love. Simplify and get expert assistance. So these 3 mistakes: ignoring audience needs, silo teams, and choosing the wrong tools, they make the difference between a stalled project and a video program that builds relationships and drives ROI. If you're wondering how to implement a successful personalized video program within your organization based on your specific needs, we are here to help. Let's have a conversation. My team and I are here to help you. Visit personal.com/contact and we'll connect you with an expert who can guide you through the process. Or if you would like to start with a helpful resource, download our free checklist in the description below. And if you're ready to take your marketing to the next level, I've got another video for you. It's all about unlocking the power of hyper-personalized video marketing to achieve marketing success in 2025. We'll dive into the data-driven secrets, explore the 3 key viewer personalities, and even show you how to use the AIDA framework for compelling scripts. Click the card on the screen or the link in the description to watch it now. Let's make videos that truly connect and drive results. I'm Josías De La Espada. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Take care. Bye.